Michael Laurier, thank you so much for joining me today. I understand your company, Symphony Environmental, has something called oxo-biodegradable that basically is able to create a technology that makes plastic essentially biodegradable. Can you explain what this process entails and how you can convert plastics into biodegradables?
Absolutely. It's a very, very easy, very simple process that is an upgrade to ordinary plastics. By that, you mix in the manufacturing process 1% of a master batch looking like a plastic bead. That bead is a control. It's like putting a smart chip inside a computer. It allows the plastic to go through a process of oxidation where you break the molecular structure of the plastic up, and that plastic completely converts back into biodegradable materials. And once you get to those biodegradable materials, it will then organically recycle itself back into the ecosystem. So essentially, this is a form of organic recycling. The technology globally is used in nearly 11 countries around the world by legislation. Other countries are considering it. But it's definitely an answer for reducing and eliminating plastic pollution from drinking straws to plastic bags.